Hello friends, welcome to the channel. In this video, how to find your old posts and stories. So, subscribe to the channel and let's go. Step 1, open Instagram account, open your profile account, click your menu account and click your activity. Click your activity. After click your activity, kneel down, click archive. Okay, click archive. This is my iStory archive and select post archive, live archive, post archive, no posted because I haven't post in account Instagram. Archive, post, live archive, no live archive because I haven't live and story archive. Okay, click the data is very good. You can see your data is story. So we can use it very easily. Please like the video and subscribe the channel. Tech on Tech.